In this video, I will be showing you how to add subtitle into your footage using Filmora9. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe so as to get notified when another content is out. Why do you need a subtitle in your footage? Subtitle is very much important so as to keep your viewers engaged whenever you post online. So how to add subtitle? You click on titles and then you click on subtitles, and then you will see numerous subtitle templates that has been installed on Wondershare Filmora. So here is the footage I want to input subtitle to. So I want to make use of subtitle 1. You can make use of any other subtitle that you want, but I'll be sticking with subtitle 1, and then I'm going to place it at the top of the footage in here, and then I'm going to fit it together so as I will not be making a mistake of, or I will not be disturbing myself bringing in another subtitle. So now what you have to do is just listen to what the presenter or what you want to say, and then you pause it, and then you split, and then you type in the word. So let me play this quickly.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olatuboso Kolawole.
So there is where I want to actually put a stop to it, and then so what you are going to do is add the subtitle title here. Okay, you can actually lock this footage so as there's something will not be dividing. So I'm going to split this, and then here is where the very first subtitle, that is the very first one that people will be able to read at the screen. So I'm going to type what the presenter is trying to say. So let's play again.
My name is Olatuboso Kolawole.
So let me play again.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olatuboso Kolawole.
So now here is I want to play again. So popularly known as Effata is the next one that I want to input. So what I have to do is I have to split, and then I drag my insertion pointer here, and then I will double click, and then I type the name popularly known as Effata. So that's how to add subtitle using Wondershare Filmora9. So very easy and quick, and then viewers will be able to view it. So if you are new to this channel, once again please consider to subscribe. I'll be expecting you in the next video.